I will stay in Las Vegas, then find out he is there. Then he also he picked us. And he staying in his house. Then next morning we also came. Yeah. Even when I also came in America, also many times I was staying in his house also. Very nice. Just this is called love and affection. What everything in his house. Now he also brought here house. So I am also here. Nice griha pravesh, fire sacrifice. Good or not? Yeah. And nice prasadam also. Perfect. Nice prasadam, you to prasad, nice also. He's generous. Because Shastra was saying, if you eat anybody's little bit salt, you have to glorify to him. You understand? This is called Indian culture. What do you call it? Jan nun khai tar gun gai. You don't understand? If you take some salt, someone, you have to
Glorify that person.
glorify that person. Otherwise, you will become Nimakaram. Nimakaram, understand? That means you are very
Degraded.
degraded. This is the thing.
Jai Pankaj.
Jai Pankaj.
Gadadhar a lot of jai because he is the master cook here.
Fast
He
learner.
makes the best prasadam.
Yeah, he and what is his name?
Gadadhar.
Gadadhar Pandit ki. He cooked very nice. And your name and your
Quality.
quality same. Jai Gadadhar Pandit. Gadadhar Prabhu ki. Jai. Radha Rani ki.
Jai.
Even Radha Rani cooked anything that is good or not? Who can do it? Okay. Okay. So just I also speak few words, not take much, and I will not take too much of your time. And if I speak too much, you cannot digest, or I cannot speak. And too much eat, then cannot digest. That were, understand? Because in my bicycle, no light or no brakes. You understand? In my bike, no lights or no brakes. Going.
Harikatha is just... No, Maharaj, your Harikatha is a lot of light and no brakes. That's true.
Just actually in morning I told, separation mode is very important. But this regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also instructed all his followers. We have to feel separation from Krishna. According to the Tattva Darshan philosophy, we are now far from Krishna. Because Krishna Huli say jeev anadi bahirmukh atev maya kare day samsara jeev. Why we are in this material world? Because we did not serve to Krishna. For this regard we are coming here. And Maya Devi, the illusory potency of Lord Maya, she is giving so much punishment to us. But this punishment, also this is the mercy of Lord. Understand? This is it. And why Lord is giving so much punishment to us? Actually purify our heart. And all the, what is called, anarthas, how to remove from our heart. And if Mayadevi would not give punishment to us, then we will never return back to Lord. Here to Mayadevi, she is giving punishment. For this regard we are crying. No, I will do bhajan and sad. This is the reason also. So, So for this regard, Maya's one name is called Kripa also. Maya, Kripa, iti dambhe. That means Sanskrit word Maya's one name also is called
Mercy.
and mercy, Kripa. See the Kripa. But Maya Devi, she is very strict. If you will not follow the rules, she will give punishment. So we have to do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. Krishna bhajivardhare samsarayinu. Why you have come in this material world? For the serve to Krishna, Krishna's word. Those who are staying in heavenly planet, Sargavasi Lok, they are also praying to Lord. They how will take birth in this material world. Brother Bhagavatam Mitra Sanatana Goswami Pad explain all the residents of heaven, Sargavasi. What is it called?
Sargavasi.
What does it say?
Residents of heaven.
Ah, you are right. I just to repeat my word.
Like parrot.
The residents of heaven, Sargavasi, praying to Lord. Oh Lord, give me, give us, take birth in this
Homework.
material world, Prithvi Loka. Because in this material world, only we can perform bhajan and sadhana. In heavenly planet, they cannot do bhajan and sadhana. Because all they are so much absorbed to
Sanskrit.
enjoy the sense gratification. See that? But we are in this material world. We are doing bhajan and sadhana. Something we are not doing. And easy to also get association with sadhu, sadhu sangha. Because without the association of sadhu sangha, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in our heart. So again and again I also quoted this word. The Vinu Satsang, what is it called? Now sadhu sangha, sarva shastri koi, lavamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi. Krishna bhakti janma mool, koi sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna bhakti, that is called the association of sadhu. Sadhu sangha, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in our heart. This is the process. How will get the association of sadhu? But different kinds of sadhu also. Karmi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu, Bhakta sadhu. But Tapas sadhu is called here. And there are three types of Bhakta sadhu. Again. One is called Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta. What is it called? Who are the eternally associates of Krishna. That is called Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta. That is called example of Narada Rishi. What do you say? Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta. Narada Rishi. If you get the season of Narada Rishi, immediately you attend to your highest perfection goal. As like Mrigari. And he got association of Narada Rishi. Then immediately he gave up all his bad habits, everything, and practiced devotional service to him. Mrigari Katha, you know. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself glorified about that Katha. So Mrigari Katha also. And so Bhagavad Parshad. And then Murchita Kashaya. Murchita Kashaya, that is called another? Nirdhuta. First is then Nirdhuta Kashaya. Second, Nirdhuta Kashaya. Murchita is the third. Second thing, Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta, Narada Rishi. Or second, that is called Nirdhuta Kashaya. Kashaya means any kinds of material desires not in the heart of the person, sadhu. That is called, that is the example of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Jam pravedantam manupeta veta kritam doipayana viraha katurajvaro putreditam तन्मातरो विनेदु तं सर्वभूतो हृदयं मुनिमानतो अस्मि. Sutta Goswami Pad glorified about
Sukadev Goswami.
Sukadeva Goswami. Jang pravajanto manupeta veto krittam daipayana viraha katura ajbhavo putreti taro vinedu tam sarvhuto hridayam muni manuto asmi. Sutta Goswami Pad told, hey Sanukadi Rishi, listen. After this conversation going between Sutta and Sanukadi Rishi, first chapter. Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, I think 5th chapter something. And at that time, Sanukadi Rishi, they asked many questions. Especially 6 questions they asked to Sutta Goswami. Before giving answer, then he glorified about Sukadeva Goswami. The 2 slokas he glorified. This sloka is very important. Jang pravajanta manuveta vetu gattam daipayano viraha katura juhava putreti tannataro vinedu tam sarvabhuto hridayam muni manuto asmin. Sutta Goswami Pad told, hey Sanukadi Rishis, listen, the glory of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Jang pravajanto manupeta vetu kritvam. When Sukadeva Goswami Pad took birth from the womb of his mother, then he just running towards the jungle. He did not turn his face towards his father Vyasdev. Vyasdev Goswami crying and saying, oh my son, ha putra, ha putra. Ha putra means, oh my son, oh my son, oh my son. While you are going, but Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he did not turn his face towards his father. And that time this echo coming from the trees, from the mountain. And here many mountains. What the echo coming? Kakasya putra parivedana. Hey Vyasdev Goswami Pad, why you are crying for your son? Who is your son? Who is your brother? Who is your mother? Who is your father? So listen. This echo coming. And actually, another thing, when Sukadeva Goswami Pad entered in the forest, just his darshan, everybody's heart completely melted and tears falling down. Prem manifesting in their heart. Look this. That's called Uttam Mahabhagavad. Jahar darsane aise Krishna prem tahake janiyo tumi Uttam Bhagavad. Just taking darshan of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Trees, birds, everybody completely intoxicated with Krishna prem. And their heart melt and tears rolling down. So jang prantu manuvita vitikrittam daipayana viraha katura ajbhavo putreti tanna taro vinedu tam sarvhuto hridayam manimanatu. And that when Sukadeva Goswami Pad came out from his home of mother, there is no any sanskar. Sanskar answer. No any impression. Then nothing. Then look at it. So for this regard, Sutta Goswami Pad, he glorifies about Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Because saying this way, that I listen all these Hari Katha from my Guru, Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Hari Katha should be listened this way. Who has no self-realization, and if you listen Hari Katha from his mouth, actual prem will not manifest in your heart. Maybe some knowledge will come. Knowledge come maybe. But prem will not come. So saying these words are very important. So jang pravajam tu manivata vetu krittam दैव्यानो विरह कापुराज वहावो पुत्रेति तन्म करो विनेदु तम सर्वभूतो हृदय मुनि मानव. Very nice beauty is here. And Uttam Mahabhagavad. But this Uttam Bhagavad also, first category Uttam Bhagavad, that is called Narad Rishi. And that's called Bhagavad Parshad Dehaprapata. And second,
Nirdut Kashai.
Nirdhuta Kasai. No any kinds of material improvement. Nothing in the heart is neat and clean. Or third,
Murchita Kashai.
Murchita Kasai. Also Mahabhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad 3 steps. Uttam, Madhyam and Uttam
Kanishta.
Kanishta. Uttam,
Madhyam.
Madhyam and Uttam
Kanishta.
Kanishta. Okay. This is the example of when Narad Rishi, you are the son of
Maid servant.
maid servant. That is called Dasi Putra. Narad Rishi's another birth, another Kalpalila Katha is saying this way. Narad Rishi himself told his own life history through Vasudev Goswami Pad. This is also explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. That is called Narad Vyasa Sanvad. The conversation between Narad Rishi and Vasudev Goswami. That when Narad Rishi is told, if Vasudev listen, and how I realize everything, and I tell you, then there will be Atma Anubhuti. And as like Gopkumar told all his own realization, Anubhuti. So his disciple, Jana Sarma. Jana Sarma is that called Mathur Brahman. Very nice, beautiful katha is there. That is called Gopkumar and
Sarma.
his disciple,
Mathur Brahman.
Mathur Brahman. Gopkumar himself told his own realization, everything to his disciple, Mathura Brahman. That is called Jana Sarma. But still listen Hari Katha, realization not come. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad explained. Then Gopkumar actually his own Sarup, that is called Sarup. His own form, that is called Sarup. Then Gopkumar, he just also touch his hand on the head of Mathur Brahman. Then all realization come. Yatha Sarupavat. That is called Sadhu Sangam. So for this regard, Sanatana Goswami Pad, one chapter only glorified about Sadhu Sangam. Sadhu Sangam. Present chapter. You read this one. Read it or not? And that goes Sadhu Sangam. And many of a nice one. Because only you listen Hari Katha, realization will not come. So need is what? Mercy also, Kripa. Both listen Hari Katha and also mercy. This is very important. Guru gives mercy his disciples in 3 ways. What is that?
Hardik Bachik.
Hardik Bachik and Alogdan. Don't forget. Last time I also told here. Don't forget. Hardik means the heart meant God. In order to the end, Hardik manifests everything in your heart. And as like Narayan, he gave all his mercy in the heart of Brahmaji. That's the example. Rupa Goswami Pad gives this example. बाहिर किछु ना बोलिलो अंतरे सब किछुई प्रकाश करिला. And that is called Hardik Kripa. And Hardik means heart. Heartly blessing. Hardik. Or Bachik with the word. Krishna Mati Rastu. No. Bachik with the word. Krishna Bhakti manifest in your heart. This word. That is called Bachik. And Alokdan?
Glands.
Huh?
Glands.
They are the glands. Sukdev, just the glands of Sukdev Goswami Pad. Then everybody's heart also melt and Krishna Prema manifest. And especially in the Mahaprabhu's Lila, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, Jahar Darsane Aise Krishna Prem. Yes, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Jahar Darsane Aise Krishna Prem. Just take it, darshan, everybody completely talks like Krishna Prem. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he proceeded to Jharkhand, look these things. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to the tiger, Krishna kaho, Krishna kaho, Bachik. Bachik with the word. Night time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, midnight Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu waked up. And Lord Chaitanya chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is behind to his power. One is called Balbhadra Bhattacharya and one Brahman. Who cooked for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Balbhadra Bhattacharya, he was carrying the blanket or something for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, clothes or something. Our Brahmana, he also cooked for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so two persons. And two sevak. And in the path of Jharkhand, the path is very small. That is a Pagdandi. Pagdandi, you understand? Very narrow path. And one tiger was laying down and sleeping. And then just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lotus feet touched the lion, a tiger. Then tiger stood up and also opened his mouth. Just when you wake up from your sleep, that's what you do. You know? I'm telling you. That tiger mouth are very big. Then Balbhadra Bhattacharya and Brahmana Digi now all we are entering the mouth of tiger. We have finished. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just uttered this word. Krishna kaho. What is it?
Krishna.
Bachik understand? To speak. Words. Krishna kaho. Bolo. Krishna. They uttered Krishna. Then the tiger raised it to paws. Tiger's hand. Tiger's hand. What is saying? Krishna Krishna Variagra Nachite Lagila. When Chaitanya just uttered here and also Shan Krishna. All the only intoxicated in Krishna prema. So this is the example of also Bachik. Bachik and so Hardik Bachik Alokdan. Alokdan means glance. Mahaprabhu he is giving at a time three things also. Hardik, Bachik and Alokdan. And glance. Everybody. So in this way we can receive this mercy from Guru. Guru Kripa Kevana. How receive this mercy from this way? Remember, how many ways? What is that?
Hardik,
Bachik
and
Alokdan. Are Alok to glance.
Sun on glands.
Remember, Hardik, Bajik and Right? Huh?
No, always.
Grand. Okay. Art, what? Okay, you are right. Nice. Coming this way? Art. Huh? Nice one. Okay. So now he is coming in, it's called, when Nardusi, he was the son of
Mates up.
maid son, Dasiputra. That time Nardusi himself told his own life history to Vasudev Goswami. And that's how also I attain my this highest perfection. Later. But something also, Nardusi, when he was the son of maid servant, and that time in his heart something is. Because when Nardusi chanted this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Because Nardusi got this mantra from the sadhus. And that time some sadhus, they came very close to his village. And 4 months sadhus did not travel with Chaturmasya. So Nardusi, that time he was only 5 years old. Panchavarsha Balakam. How many? 5 years old. And he used to come also with his mother. But when sun goes down, then his mother is saying, Narad, you have to return back, my home. But Nardusi, he does not want to go back. Crying and crying and crying. But Nardusi's mother by force took him. So then Nardusi is thinking, oh, my mother, see the obstacle to associate with sadhu. And every day Nardusi, he prayed to Lord. And then one day Lord listened his prayer. And one day his mother, not Nardusi's mother, she was milking the cow. And in the meantime one black serpent came and bite to her. Then Nardusi's mother left body. Nardusi is very happy. Mother left bed body and Nardusi is saying, I am very happy. Why? Because no one stuck to me to associate with sadhu. Sadhu sir. Then Nardusi only associate with sadhu. Where is sadhus are going? Nardusi also following it. And only chanting this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Then Nardusi so much garden is coming. When I will get darshan to Lord. Then one day Nardusi prayed to Lord. Lord, please give me darshan. Then one Lord himself manifests very nice, beautiful. His form Sankha Chakra Gada Padma Lord Vishnu. As like
Lightning.
lightning. Very quick. When Nardusi took darshan, this beautiful form of Lord, then Nardusi
Fainted.
fainted. Bhagavad darshan. Nardusi told, I don't know how long I complete your conscious, unconscious. But when I return back my consciousness, then again I remember the beautiful form of Lord. Then again and again I pray to Lord, please give me darshan. That time a real sound came, hey Narad, when you give up your this Panchabhutik Sharim, this material body, and you will come my abode with your transcendental body, then you can see my beautiful form. Then now this mind very disturbed. When I will give up my body, who knows? Now this was thinking. Now this is thinking, Brastu Saptiko Bhasa. Now this is thinking, I will stay alone in the forest. Actually, this is called also one kind of obstacles, our bhakti. Shastra saying you should not stay alone. What do you do? Always associate with sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha harikatha. Understand? Sadhu sangha harikatha is good enough. Harikatha Mahaprasad. Or Mahaprasad harikatha.
Afternoon nap also.
Harikatha Mahaprasad. Or Harikatha Mahaprasad. So, but not to say thinking I am to stay alone. Vanastu Sattiko Vasa. I will stay alone in the first. That is the Sattik was mood of goodness. But this is not good. No association. So Shastra saying you should not stay alone. Where will you stay?
Under guidance.
Always stay with sadhu. Because sadhu will speak Harikatha. Because Bhakti Devi manifests with the association of sadhu. So always remember the same word. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. So with the association of sadhu, then Bhakti Devi will come. But now this you are thinking, I will stay alone. Vanastu Sattiko Vasa. This is also there. Murchita Kasa. This is called Kasa means these types of
Desires.
impediments. Bada, bhakti ke bada. But anyhow, now you see day and night, he is crying and crying and crying. So much eagerness is coming. Understand? Eagerness, when I will get darshan to Lord. Oh my Lord, when will you take darshan? The Sanskrit word, this is Utkantha. Utkantha is eagerness. Bhakti, one thing this is called eagerness. That bhakti's name is called Utkanthamai Bhakti. What is called? Utkanthamai Bhakti in the heart of Brij Gopis also. And Srila Jiva Goswami Pad explained 3 types of bhakti. And it's called Utkanthamai Bhakti. Or another is called Visrambhamai Bhakti. Or another Vivek Sunnamai Bhakti. In Vrindavan, cows, birds, trees, they are bhakti towards Krishna. That is called Vivek Sunnamai Bhakti. Vivek Sunnamai, they cannot discriminate. The Krishna still is staying in Vrindavan or Krishna left
To Mathura.
to Mathura. So for this regard, that cows, birds, trees, they are bhakti towards Krishna. That is called Vivek Sunnamai. And Visramba Bhakti is so much intimacy in the heart of the friends of Krishna. Or third, what is it? Utkanthamai Bhakti. Utkanthamai Bhakti in the heart of the friends of Krishna. So much garnish. They direct to meet with Krishna. They direct want to take darshan the beautiful form of Krishna. And this is it. So Gopi's prem is called Utkanthamai Prem. Right? And in this way, different also, viraha coming also this way. Bhavi viraha, bhavan viraha, bhavva viraha. Understand? No? Bhavi viraha and bhavan viraha or bhavva viraha. Maybe later I will tell you. Right? This is different.
Before, during.
Actually, just a simple means the present, past and future. These are simple. So now coming in this way. So Nagaradashi, that time, is very upset. When I will give up my body and I will receive my transcendental body, then I will attain to abode of God. So Srimad Bhagavatam explained this. Now this is told. So when my predicted time came, then I give up my this
Gross and
material body. and patitta panchabhutika dhyakam. And then with my transcendental body, I attend to the abode of Lord, and I took darshan, the beautiful form of Lord. Nidai Gaur Premanand. So all these three also is called Uttam Bhagavad, but different categories. Eh? Understand? Eh? Forget or not? Not forget. Bhagavad Parshad Devaprapta. Second,
Nirdut Kasha,
Nirdhuta Kasha. Or third,
Murchittu Kasha.
Murchita Kasha. This type of sadhu sambandhi. Eh? Do bhajan in sadhu, they not do. Well, according everything depends on your sukriti. Bhaktistu bhavadakta samena parijayate satsanga prapate kumbhi sukriti purva sanchita. And according to sukriti, spiritual pious activities, and Krishna will arrange for everything. And just to collect the sukriti, collect sukriti, then Jogmaya, she will arrange everything for you. Not do anything. And chant holy names, serve Guru and Vaishnavas. Then automatically Krishna will arrange. I will get what you not do. Understand? So saying this way. So this verse is Hari Bhakti Subhadaya. This sloka is explained. Krishna. Bhaktistu bhakta sangena parijayate satsanga prapate pumbhi sukriti purva sanchite. Sukriti purva sanchite, what is your previous story? Sukriti will mature and accumulate. Then you will get the association with sadhu. And with the association with sadhu, then bhakti will manifest. But only sukriti, you cannot attain to Brajaprem. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Priyatam Jadi Kutapi Labhate Tatravi Lula Mululam Janma Kati Sukriti Labhate. So low Rupi Mulla. Greed in it. What the greed? Greed for that type of sweet Harikatha. Sadhu Sangha Harikatha. This is very important. Anaradha Radha Padam Mujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavi Tatpadankam Vasambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasam Sindhu Rasasavaga. If you submerge in the ocean of divine for Radha and Krishna Prema, so what will do? Just follow the three principles. How many? What is that? One pointed to the lotus feet of Srimati Radha. Radhaika Nishtha. Nishtha means one pointed to Srimati Radha. Radha Nishtha. Radha Meri Samini Main Radhin Ko Das Janam Janam Moi Diyo Vrindavan Ko Vas. Brajavasi, they are saying this. Radha Meri Samini. Srimati Radhika is my mistress. Radha Meri Samini Main Radhin Ko Das Janam Janam Moi Diyo Vrindavan Ko Vas. Vrindavan Ko Vriksha Ko Maram Na Jane Koi Dal Dalar Pat Pat Mein Radhe Radhe. Nice sermon. So this thing. On this mood, you can stay anywhere, no problem. If you not stay physically in Vrindavan, then but your mind should be always absorbed in Vrindavan. Yesterday, talk not. But step by step, don't jump. Big problem will come. So he saying, Vrindavan ko vriksha ko man na jane koi dal dalar pat pat mein radhe radhe Radha meri samini main radhin ko das Janam janam vaidyo Vrindavan Kumas. So just explain. So that means one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That's called Radhika Nishta. What do you call? And one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Or second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Yes, Anagaddha Radha Padambujari Anasita Vrinda Atavi. Vrindavan, we have to stay in Vrindavan. But which place you will stay in Vrindavan?
Radhadipatta.
Radha Adipatta Vrindavana Vasam Namastu. Vishwanath Chakravarti says. Remember, that is it? Radha Adipatta. And in Vrindavan, that place completely dominated by Srimati Radha. Right? Which place? Radha. Not Sakistani. Sakistani is the place of Chandra. So see, Radha Adipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Namastu. Yesterday I told. Sometimes Jatila Kutila there is come also some Surjakunda. Yes? You heard that story of Surjakunda Katha. Sometimes Jatila Kutila coming or not? Yes? Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan, sometimes also they are coming also. But Radha Kunda?
Never.
And that is Chokmaya completely what? And protects. And protection. Only those who are one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Paksha, Sapaksha Gopis, they are allowed to enter in that. Right? Nice ways. So yesterday I told Radha Kunda is topmost. And Radha Kunda is also, yesterday I told, 8 corners of Radha Kunda, 8 Ashtasakis Kunja is there. Lalitananda Kunja, Visakananda Kunja, Sridevi, Rangadevi, all these come Kunja. And in the middle of Radha Kunda, that is called Sananda Manjari Kunda, that is called Sananda Sabadakunda. This types of greed I have to live. Without greed you cannot attain. Lobhamai Bhakti. Greed need or not?
Yes.
Greed not depend on any qualification. Lobha ka karan. Greed depend on greed, but simple. Understand? Greed not that I am qualified or unqualified. When you think, that means you are not.
No greed.
And listen to Hari Katha. And take that thing. So saying the Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mudi Kirtan Yudi Kutapi Labbate Tatravi Lula Mullam
Janmakoti
Janmakoti Sukrita no? Or third point, Anaradha Radha Padambujarinu Anasata Binda Orvitaka Asambhasa Tadabhava Gambira Chitvan. Always associate with high class Brajarasik Sadhu. And listen that Katha. Braj Katha. Braja Leela Katha, listen these are.
Yes.
Understand? I will tell you one Katha, you listen or not? Listen. Once 8 Sakhis, Lalita Abhiseka Suduvi Rangadvi Tunga Vidya all there, they told to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, Krishna always saying, and Srimati Radhika sees my heart and soul. I have only love and affection with Srimati Radhika. Okay, this is true or wrong? This is only lip service, Krishna lip service or true? So how do you know?
Test.
So test. So that time all the Sakhis, they plan. So today we will be on this same cloth. Radhika same cloth, Lalita Devi same cloth, Visakha Devi same, all the same singer. You know singer is same. Matching.
No, the ornaments. All the ornaments the same.
All the decoration, all the ornaments same. Understand? Very nice, beautiful, coming from the beauty parlor, you know. Just I understand?
Yes.
So now, 8 Sakhis and Srimati Radhika. Eh? Understand? And they told to Krishna, Krishna first to tell. In among of these, our Sakhis, who is Srimati Radhika? You choose. You understand?
Yes.
What is it?
They all wear matching clothes and they ask who is Radhika amongst us.
Huh?
Yes.
Then Krishna is sitting, Krishna thinking, oh my God.
Big problem.
Eh? 9 Sakhis also ready. Same. And same also eyes, same hair,
Hair.
same cloth.
Ornaments.
Ornaments. Krishna is thinking, okay, how will it be? Eh? Then Krishna is very clever. Understand? Krishna just saying, hey, this is Srimati Radhika, this Radhika. When, who taught me from my childhood how to steal butter. Understand? This Radhika, this Radhika. Actually, Krishna is not, who is Radhika? Who knows? Then Srimati Radhika sit, forgot. Hey, Kanhaiya, I never taught to you how to steal butter. Para Vrindavan we are going. You understand or not?
Yes.
Why simply? Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Dhir Lalita Nayak means there's one kind of qualification.
Parihaspata.
That is a parihaspati. Is very
Clever words.
expertise. And speaking very sweet
Words.
and words.
Joking words.
Joking words. And actually Krishna did not see, Krishna not looking Srimati Radhika. Just pointed, oh, this Radhika. And who taught me how to steal butter? Then Srimati Radhika see also. Angry, hey, I never taught you.
This can be a good play.
Huh? You can play this very simple.
Play.
बड़े वृंदावन बिहारी बोले यही लीला स्मर और गाओ कृष्ण नाम अचिरते कृष्ण प्रेम पावे कृष्ण धाम. And only remember this sweet lila and chant holy name. Then one day you will attain your high perfection. And chant holy names. But chant holy names not just the dry. You know dry? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Chant holy name and remembering this. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur Bhajan Rasa Grantha saying this. Hey lila smara are gao Krishna naam. Achirate Krishna Prem, Pave Krishna Dham. You read Bhakti and Bhajan Rasa Grantha. A nice beautiful Bengali, Payar also is there. And when you chant holy names, this thing. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Many Lila Katha is also there. When you chant holy names, how will you chant holy names?
Maharaj, one more Lila Katha. One more.
How do you do
Ek order. Ek. तीन और तीन.
How you? शाम को बोलेंगे ना?
अच्छा एक सिर्फ अभी एक तो everybody.
Okay, listen again. So in Varsana, right? So first time Srimati Radhika, she was charming the yogurt and create the butter. You understand? Understand my language or not?
Yes.
Okay. Because I am not English speaker. Just you understand this enough. You understand my mood. Not give attention my words or language. Understand my mood. So Srimati Radhika, first time she was creating the butter, charming the yogurt and butter. And that message has come to Nandagam because Krishna's one parrot. That parrot bring this message from Barsana to Nandagaon. Then Krishna heard, here today, Srimati Radhika, she is chanting the Jogat and create the butter. So Krishna is thinking, that butter I have to first taste. Eh? And that time Krishna disguised the form one very nice, beautiful gopi. Eh? Understand? Very nice, beautiful gopi. And then that very nice dress cloth, ready thing. But Srimati Radhika, she chanting the Jogat. Eh? And all Sakhija Srimati Radhika, she surrounded there. Then Krishna came, Krishna disguised the form of one gopi. Then other gopi, they asked, hey gopi, where you come from? Huh? Where have you come from? Then Krishna said, I am coming from very near from your village. Krishna is not saying, I am coming from Nandagaon. And I am coming from very close to your village, near your village. Okay. Eh? Acha. What is your name? Eh? Then Krishna told, my name is called Anamika. What is called?
Anamika.
Anamika means who has no name.
No. Anonymous.
Krishna saying, my name is called Anamika Gopi. Maybe this name is very nice.
Sounds nice.
What is your name? Anamika. Or Namika, who has no name. Anamika. Okay. Eh? Krishna is not telling lie or this. So now coming in this way. And Krishna very sweet words is in this way. Krishna disguised the form of Gopi means very beautiful. And Samla Gopi, very nice, beautiful. Blue. What is called?
Shamla is blue.
Okay.
Blue sapphire.
Blue sapphire.
Indigo.
Indigo, he said. Indigo aeroplane. In the, yeah? Okay. So now coming to this way. Then Srimati Radhika, she was very charming the yogas and coming butter. Then Krishna thinking, I have first this butter, I have to eat, taste. Then Krishna, that means Anamika Gopi, she told to Radhika, hey, long time you are chanting the look, so much sweat coming from your body. So you have to go to change your clothes in another room. Then other gopis said, oh, this is true. This new gopi has come, her name is Anamika. So much love and affection, Srimati Radhika. Okay. And this Anamika gopi, she told, listen, nowadays we have one boy, his name is Krishna, he is stealing butter. Maybe he will become here, he will be steal butter. It is better, all you go, I will protect this butter. I will check, what is called? I will guard him. That time all gopis are thinking about it. Very nice. Then Srimati Radhika and all the gopis, they entered in the another room. Then nobody, then Krishna took that the butter pot and
Run away.
ran away. After a few minutes, when the all gopis with Srimati Radhika, they came, that place is no Anamika gopi or no butter. Hey, where is Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Nice Brahman. Good Brahman.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
You said you can't just hear Harikatha. We also have to get your mercy too. So do we have your mercy?
Hare no, not Guru Pada. Guru Pada, Gurudev. Always remember Gurudev. Nityananda Prabhu. Remember. How we will receive the mercy from Akhanda Bhutattva Nityananda Prabhu.
Direct representative.
Hare Justice. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai. Come over. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
महाराज की जय। महाराज की जय। जय श्री गुरुनाथ स्वामी महाराज की जय। नमस्कार परम गुरुदेव महाराज की जय। महाराज की जय।
Perfect.